Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to sign up for Venmo. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to download this Venmo app in your device. Once you download it, open the app. Then it will take you to this page. Now in this page, you'll have to log into your account, and since you don't have an account, tap on this create account button. Now it will ask you how will you use Venmo, personal, teen or business. I suggest to tap on the personal and then tap on the get started button. Then it will ask you to enter your phone number. So go ahead and enter your phone number. After you do so, tap on the send code button. Now you will receive a code in your phone number, and once you receive that code, enter the code in these boxes. And once you enter the code, it will ask you to set up your account by providing your personal information like your first name, last name, your username, email address, and then create a password for your account. Once you complete that step, you'll have to agree to some terms and conditions of Venmo, and once you agree to it, you'll have to add some payment methods, and once you have completed all those steps, you'll be signed up. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.